नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट में एसबीआई पेंशनर्स का जो केस यूनिफॉर्म रेट ऑफ 50% ऑफ पेंशन के बारे में था, उसका जो 22 जनवरी को कोर्ट का ऑर्डर था, उस बारे में बात करते हैं। इन द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ दिल्ली एट न्यू दिल्ली, फेडरेशन ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर्स वर्सेस द यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर्स। और ये कोरम था ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस वी कामेश्वर राव, ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस सौरभ बनर्जी, ऑर्डर डेटेड 22 January 24। After the last date of hearing, the State Bank of India has filed an affidavit along with two documents. First, communication dated November 7, 2023 of the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India granting the approval of the central government for the computation of pension in SBI at the uniform rate of 50% of all the pensioner in place of existing dual rate of calculation of pension. They have also advised the bank to take immediate steps for making the consequential amendments to the regulations as per section 50 of the State Bank of India Act 1955. And second, communication dated December 18, 2023, whereby the Reserve Bank of India has conveyed no objection for the proposed amendments to the SBI implies Pension Fund Regulation 2014 in terms of section 51 of SBI Act 1955, with the direction to obtain previous sanction of the central government for notifying the said amendments. Second, it is also said that the computation shall be given effect prospectively. Third point था, Mr. Kapoor states that he will take instruction as to when the necessary amendments shall be notified. Fourth point था, we have also been shown a letter dated January 18, 2024 addressed to the learned additional solicitor general wherein the following has been stated. श्री चेतन शर्मा एडिशनल सॉलिसिटर जनरल दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट को जो पत्र डीएफएस द्वारा लिखा गया था, उसकी कॉपी भी इसमें लगी हुई है। उसमें लिखा था, सब्जेक्ट एसबीआई कोर्ट केस रिट पिटीशन titled Federation of SBI Pensioner Association and Others versus Union of India and Others, amendment in SBI implies pension fund regulation regarding. Sir, please refer the writ petition cited in the subject noted above and this department's letter 7th November 23. In this connection, the undersigned is directed to say that proposal for amendment in State Bank of India implies pension fund regulation 2014 has been received in this department from State Bank of India and the same is under consideration in consultation with Ministry of Law and Justice. Shri Vijay Shankar Tiwari, under Secretary to the Government of India. Fifth point था, at this Mr. Gill seeks an adjournment by 8 weeks to convey the court the latest position. Or 6, re-notify on May 2nd, 24 and a copy of this order be kept in all petitions dated 22nd. Friends, इस ऑर्डर से एकदम क्लियरिफाई हो गया कि किस स्टेटस में हमारा केस एसबीआई पेंशनर का है और इसमें जो डायरेक्ट किया गया था वो प्रोस्पेक्टिवली लिखा हुआ है। जब तक कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड जस्टिस मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ से कोई डिसीजन नहीं आता है, फिर गजट नोटिफिकेशन की बात होती है, तब तक के लिए हमें वेट करना होगा। और ये जो नेक्स्ट डेट लगा हुआ है 2 May 24। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।